guys, I'm Donna. This is Budget Friendly Cooking. As you see, we are in a different location. This is a little farm at my town called Hickories, and this is a little farm store. I just wanted to show you what's going on here. I come here every day, especially in summer, because I love their fresh produce, beautiful tomatoes, corn. They have some herbs over there, and a little more in their fridge. So we're gonna go to the farm and pick a couple of ingredients there, whatever I need for today's recipe. Okay, follow me. So they have chicken, you can get some fresh eggs here, some quail as you see, and there's some pigs somewhere. We're at the farm, and as you see, I'm picking some parsley. I don't need much, so I'll just pick just a few of them. And the fragrance, they are very fragrant. So I used to volunteer at this farm for a couple of summers and come here 3 times a week for 4 hours a day, from 8 to 12, and pick whatever they needed help in. I think that should be enough. I want to show you one of my favorite fruit, new discovery. They're called husk cherries. So they're little tomatoes, and they are sweet and they taste like vanilla to me. We're back in the kitchen, and we're gonna make meat patties. We make those beef patties in Georgia a lot. This is a mixture of beef and pork, and we call it katleti. And it's kind of like meatballs. We add that little bit of bread, little herbs. We're gonna soak it in a little milk and add some eggs, onion, and when I was thinking to make this dish, I felt like for summer or fall, you want some herbs, some veggies that are around. So I had those beautiful braising greens that I bought at our local farm, and I incorporated it. I actually made this recipe yesterday, and it was pretty good. It was kind of greenish than usual, but I was very tasty and of course healthier than just meat patties with a piece of bread. So we're gonna put together all these ingredients, make some patties, and fry them on the skillet. We just need like rough chop of those greens. Okay, perfect. Let's move it in a bowl. We're gonna add salt and a little bit of pepper. Okay, and mix it. So we're gonna make little patties, just like burgers, but we do kind of do like different shape, like oval shape, like that instead of the round one. Make sure your edges are nice and round, like that. And because I am frying them on non-stick skillet, I'm not gonna add any fat at all. So okay, just place it. I'll do it right now. This is Chase. Oh, you like my hands. They taste good. They taste like meat. So I have it on medium-low temperature because I want my patties to get cooked from outside and from inside as well. You can always see it does not really need any more fat. And this way it's kind of healthier, less calories. And I like to put the lid on sometimes because it keeps the steam and heat inside. It's always good to cook it on medium low. See, when you see the juice coming out, then it's not ready yet. So it takes about 2-3 minutes from each side. And I'm going to put the lid back on. So who's gonna try those? I have someone here and I wanna bring her here and she's gonna try our meat patties. Troy Allen, please.
Okay.
All right, so I always have somebody in my show, and this is Troy Allen, my friend, and I would love her to try our meat patties. So this is a mixture of beef and pork, and I added some braising greens, which was like baby kales and baby Swiss chard, and we just pureed that with little parsley and with a little tarragon, little onion and peppers, and added 1 egg, little bread and milk. So it's like a meatball, but with a twist. Healthy version. And we used no oil, no butter to fry, so we just cooked it on non-stick skillet, 2-3 minutes from both sides, so it should be fully cooked.
So should I get a fork or?
You know, you can just break it with your hand and just try it. That's how we eat. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
I will try it.
So it should be pretty green and juicy.
It's so moist.
Juicy because we added so much fresh herbs.
Can I take the plate off camera and finish it?
Yeah, of course.
It's absolutely delicious.
Good, right? And it's healthy, you know. So we don't add any. It's a kind of like traditional Georgian Russian patties called katleti, and we usually add just a little bread, a little herbs, a little egg, and milk. But we never added that much veggies in it. So I felt like, why not? So that's the point of an idea of my cooking, that I like to teach and show people to be creative and just, you know, come up with some crazy ideas, add some ingredients that you feel like you like it or you have and you want to use it.
It's
so that's how I create
delicious.
It. Thank you.
Very good and very healthy.
Yeah, and very healthy. Yeah, and the braising greens are from Hickory's, our local farm. So we just visited there this morning and picked some parsley from there. You can smell that too.
So everything's very fresh.
Yeah, we just picked them.
Yeah.
Isn't that wonderful? Yeah. So if you like this episode, hit the subscribe button and I will see you next week. Thank you.
Thank you.